degrees tomorrow. It's almost 10 degrees cooler tomorrow. And I do have a couple of raindrops there just in case we squeeze out some of the extra sort of like showers tomorrow morning as well. Here's what we look like across the eastern side of the state where it is still very, very hot. Prior weather watch continues. It's all Tampa. You see there Thursday. We try. Show you some of the things that I ate just to give you an idea. Now this is some steak called flanken steak, but I use these to make some Philly cheesesteak. And the way I made these, at first I washed them real good, seasoned them, and then using bacon grease, I braised them on each side, or I browned them very, very good, and then I put them in some aluminum foil and I placed them into my Instant Pot. In my Instant Pot, I probably cooked them for about 15, 20 minutes, maybe close to 30 minutes. I'm not for sure. I don't remember. But then once they were done in the Instant Pot, then I took them out, and that's what we had for dinner. But I was able to make several dishes from these. We ate them, first of all, we ate them as steaks for one meal. And then I added in cream cheese and some vegetables. And the vegetables I used were like bell peppers, green peppers. I used, I don't remember everything right now. But I mixed all those things together. And I mixed it in with my steak. I cooked it together for a little while. And I was able to make some Philly cheesesteak. You guys, it was really, really good and delicious. Plus, I already had some keto sweet rolls that were made in the refrigerator. So I was able to have keto bread with this. And so I didn't do myself too much harm, which was really, really good also. But here you can see where I'm braising my last two steak portions that I had. Like I said, this is the flanken steak. And this is some really good meat to eat if you're doing the keto diet, because you see the fat in it and you see the lean meat also. So it's very, very good to get your fat content and your protein content together. Now, I'm going to show you the first dish that I had that evening. Was I had steak and I had some asparagus with it. So that was a great meal. My next meal was some collard greens with some cabbage. And this is where I had the steak mixed with like a Philly cheesesteak, but I didn't use a bun that first meal. The next meal was very good. For breakfast, I had my keto burrito. Also, for one meal, I had some eggs with a little bit of sriracha sauce and some bacon. I have eggs and bacon kind of on the regular. I do. Some people prefer not to eat a lot of eggs and bacon on keto, and you can do this also. Here I was just finishing off my meal prep, trying to eat that up. Here I had a keto burrito, and this is a treat that I make for myself, which is just cream cheese together with whatever fruit that I have. Here I made a sugar-free lemon keto pie. This is Philly cheesesteak with the greens and cabbage and a couple pieces of bacon that I had left from breakfast. But you can see I had some really, really good meals this week. And so can you. This here is chicken breast with some collard greens, a little bit of GHU's barbecue sauce. It was a delicious meal also.